In this video, I'm going to do a transparent breakdown of how I make $26,000 per week. We're going to go all the way starting from Monday to Sunday with each day's income, where it comes from, and what I'm doing every single day. By choice, I still do work a lot, so instead of showing you videos of just me staring at a computer screen for hours and hours each day, every single day I try to find 3 opportunities with my wife and I to enjoy each day. So while going through the income, I'll show you some of the cool things I get to do each day, just with a little bit of the freedoms that I have created being an entrepreneur. We're gonna start with the very first week this month. June 2020. Most of my income today is from affiliate marketing. If you've never heard of that, it's basically like being an online commission-based salesperson for different brands and products. And I'm an affiliate today for over 250 profitable campaigns and companies. It's impossible for me to do and log into 250 accounts every single day. So it's not gonna necessarily be how much I'm making that day, it's gonna be how much I've gotten paid. So I kind of have a master PayPal account that money comes in, so we'll be going through that. But it's so many different accounts, it'd be impossible to log in and check every 200 accounts every single day. But I did retire my dad last year, and his job is basically as my business manager to be managing all these different relationships, payments, accounts receivable, and depositing the income. So for that chunk of money, it all comes through PayPal. So when I talk about PayPal, that's basically, just imagine that's coming from hundreds of different sources of these little mini incomes. I am gonna be fully transparent about courses. I know people are like, courses, you probably make all your money from courses. I don't, it's a small percentage, but I'm gonna share that income as well and just kind of be a whole entire transparent book. Without further ado, let's start with Monday.
I got my camera. I started making YouTube videos again. Hey, Mom.
Hi. Not dancing, I hope.
Dude, why are you such a hater?
Just kidding. Are you dancing again?
Yeah, dancing. This time I'm doing provocative dancing.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Ooh. Well, a lot of old ladies are going to enjoy that.
So how are we looking for business-wise?
44.
44,000 in affiliate for the month?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Really good.
Let's start by breaking down Monday with the top. So as you'll learn, the majority of my income comes from affiliate marketing. And the first of the month is usually a pretty big payday. Most affiliates pay at the beginning, the middle, and the end of the month. So you can see here on the first, I was sent 24 different payments, and basically you can take this as 24 different affiliate companies that on average sent me $228, and totaling that up came out to $5,473. So I know that is a crazy amount, but if you break it down individually, this is what I really want you to be encouraged by. It's very simple to find one of these companies where you can basically market and promote a physical product, and most of these are, actually all these are physical products, primarily in the fitness space. And then every month, basically, one of these 24 companies are sending me, on average, $228. So really, if you break down singular transaction affiliate payment, I'm getting one company that's paying me $228 for 30 days. So it's really not a lot. It's less than $10 a day. The only difference is I'm doing this at scale. 24 different companies paid me, and that totals $5,473. Another big payment that came in today was ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is a software to build websites. So they sent $1,504.80 via ACH. So every single day I'm making money on hundreds of different dashboards, including ClickFunnels. But for the sake of this video, I'm just telling you how much money I've made via the income that has paid, hit the PayPal, or hit the bank. Now, of course, you might be wondering, well, what are the 250 companies you're an affiliate for? Haha, I'm not going to share that. That's like my intellectual property. But some of the companies, I'm so big on affiliate, that is just kind of hard to hide. Lady Boss is one of them. I'm their #1 affiliate. I've sold over $1 million worth of their product, the only affiliate to do so. And you can see, they send, I've been a long time affiliate for them for years now, and you can see a long track record of history of payments that have come in. One of my favorite things of having flexibility as an entrepreneur and also systems that create passive income is doing fun things in the middle of the day. Like, it's middle of the day right now and I'm heading the wrong way. We just got done jet skiing. It was a blast. And we did it at we always try to do activities at off times when most people are working. So there's no crowds and there's usually a better discount too. Again, I just want to emphasize my life is literally not just exploring all day long. I am working, I am grinding, I am hustling, but I just didn't want to make a video of me just showing this picture over and over and over again for the next 10 minutes. Scoring a brand deal is awesome because it's usually a large lump sum of payment. And sometimes on a retainer, this is actually a retainer to create content for this company, and they basically pay me $3,000 a day. So just to share some transparency, this is actually a deal from TikTok, and I have to create 10 to 20 different pieces of content for their brand. This content actually does not live on my channel. It's all on theirs. So it's a great deal. I get paid to create content, something that is really easy for me to do. And as long as they are happy with the content I create, I should be getting this $3,000 every single month. Let's talk about something which is kind of a taboo subject here in the world of creating an online business: making money from courses. As you've seen, each day there's a portion of money, much smaller than my main source of income, but it's there, that is from courses. I don't know why this is such a taboo subject. Actually, I take that back. I do know why. It's because there is a overwhelmingly large amount of people who take advantage and prey on the hopes and dreams of people who want to escape the 9-to-5, and they create these really bad courses, and that ends up being their primary source of income, and they're just terrible teachers. It's like the con of the guru. E-commerce has them, Amazon FBA has them, affiliate marketing has them, every single industry has them, day trading has them. I'll tell you the truth about money I make from courses. It's actually the most rewarding to help people and teach people. A lot of my affiliate stuff is super passive. I don't really work with people. Sorry, that's a horse. Teaching people is amazing. That's how I got into online business. My very first business was teaching people how to dance. And I've seen those students, because my channel's been around for 10 years, who were like in grade school, middle school, junior high, and like they're like adults now. And like I've been a part of their story. I have like hundreds.
Hey, I got a little testimonial for you guys. This is my main man, El Tiro.
Thankful for El Tiro. He's always motivated me to continue what I'm doing.
And I have to say, through him, he gave me the motivation that I needed. He gives me the motivation to dance.
So now I'm teaching people about business, and it's amazing because I feel like I can make such a big impact on their entire lives. Dance is, when you teach someone how to dance, it's not really about dance, it's about confidence. So that's a tool that you need in all aspects of your life, so it's great. But teaching people about business is so empowering to basically to be in control of your income, and I love it. It also brings the most drama, and I do get a lot of hate, especially on TikTok, comments like this and this. So I hope videos like this and me being here on YouTube where I can go deeper into my income sources allows people to see that, yes, I do make money from courses, but it's a very small portion. And my goal is to make sure it's always a much smaller portion than my total income. I kind of think of it like coach versus athlete. I'm not just a coach. I am 95% athlete, as in I have businesses that are producing income in hundreds of different ways. I have hundreds of different campaigns. Courses is one of them, and that's my 5% opportunity to basically teach people. And maybe one day I will be all in on courses, but I'm only 31 years old, and I feel like there's still so much opportunity for me to grab in the field. But I do love teaching people. It's one of the most rewarding things that I get to do. Happy Friday, everybody. So Fridays usually during the week, I usually try to get all my work done. I feel like Monday through Thursday, I'm like sun up to sundown, with those exceptions of trying to, find 3 opportunities in the day to enjoy it. But Fridays tends to be either a all read day or all explore day. So I try to have more 3-day weekends in my lifestyle. But maybe if something is like really urgent, or I want to launch something, I will end up working. But always try to explore on Fridays. One of the most beautiful things about controlling your own schedule is you can create a 3-day weekend every time you want. And when you want to take vacation, you kind of don't have to, because you're your own boss. Saturdays and Sundays tend to be my lowest days each week, just because most businesses aren't working on the weekend, so they usually don't process their affiliate payments. So that's Monday through Sunday, and here's some screenshots that show my master PayPal dashboard through affiliates, and then also my Stripe account, which is basically where all my courses sales come from. Obviously, I'm not going to show my bank account, but that pretty much sums up the entire week. You must understand, though, that the money that's coming in from today is years of work and expertise and trial and lots of failure. I launched my first, online business 10 years ago, and I've been doing affiliate marketing 5 years, but the last 3 years, seriously, going all out in it. And so this income that's coming in, although it looks in this video passive, and it feels passive to me today, as money will just show up in PayPal, I have campaigns, and there's a history of work and work ethic to have gotten at this point. So always I'm going to make that clear. It's not as easy as launching an ad and money comes in. Lots of work and trial and testing to get to the campaigns I have right now for the affiliate income that's coming in. So just note, hard work over time guarantees success. Now, I do have other sources of income that didn't make it in this video because I just didn't receive that income in that first week this month, such as income from real estate investments that I have, on top of other different types of e-commerce businesses and partnerships I have that just pay at different times of the month. But for the most part, this is what a regular week looks like. I realize it may sound crazy, fake, and I was right there with you. Literally 10 years ago, I made $27,000 a year, and I'm basically making that every single week. And it still blows my mind. It does not get old, and I still am so grateful every day. I basically passed $1,000 in income. It's still amazing to me. And I just think, how did I get here? A combination of reading first a book called The 4-Hour Work Week, top of, tons of different books. I'm a big avid reader. Actually, if you want to read the same books, the top 10 books I would recommend, make sure you go to adrianbrambila.com/books. But really, that book kind of planted the idea in my head that this was possible. And then I started with just one campaign. If you look at my monthly income, or this week income of $26,000, it's comprised of hundreds of different income streams, or dozens of different income streams. And each income stream, if you were just to take one of them out, it's not that much. $500 or $1,000. That's one-time payment a month of making $500 a month. That, if you just try to do that versus try to make 26 grand in a week, which seems crazy, that makes sense. Try to find a product, an offer, an affiliate, an endorsement, whatever it is, to make $500 in 1 month. That's basically what I've done over the last 10 years, except I've tried to find lots and lots of different small wins that add up in a big way, like a $26,000 week.